औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू माय ऑल व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों को जहाँ भी रखे अपनी अमान में रखे और इस दुनिया में अपने सिवा किसी का मोहताज ना करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। क्लास 7 की हम इंग्लिश कर रहे हैं और इसका जो हम चैप्टर आज करेंगे वो है द कैरियो मर्डर केस। तो वैसे तो बहुत दिलचस्प स्टोरी है ये, चैप्टर बड़े मज़े का है ये, बट एज़ पर द स्टूडेंट रिक्वायरमेंट दे ओनली नीड एक्सरसाइज। तो अगर किसी को ब्रीफिंग चाहिए इस चैप्टर की तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक अलग से वीडियो रेडी कर दूँगी। जूम इन कर रही हूँ मैं कि अगर किसी बच्चे के पास जो है वो बुक नहीं है तो आप जो है वो इसमें से नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं चैप्टर को। ये कंप्लीट चैप्टर है। This is the last 2 lines of the chapter. So come to down and that is exercise A, comprehension. Answer the following questions. These all are the questions. Answer is written in the copy. Questions मैं रीड आउट करती जाऊंगी और आंसर जो है वो आप कॉपी से नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is what phrase does the author use at the start of the text to show the reader has passed? Answer is he uses the phrases nearly a year later. Question number 2 is who were the two main men involved in the crime and how did the witness feel each of them? Answer is the two men involved in the crime were the victim, a Sir Danvers Carew, and the murderer, Mr. Hyde. The maid admired Sir Danvers Carew for his every pretty manners of politeness and his face, which to her she met so innocent and full of kindness. Question number C is which type of animals is the angry murderer compared to? He is compared to an ape. Question number 4 is what is Mr. Utterson profession? Answer is Mr. Utterson is a lawyer. Question number 5 is what was Mr. Utterson's reaction to hearing about the crime and seeing the weapon? Answer is Mr. Utterson collided when he heard about the crime and saw the weapon. He looked serious and felt gloomy. Question number 6 is what do we learn about the old woman who works for Mr. Hyde? Answer is the maid is sensitive but she is very dramatic too. She has wide imaginations. She maybe imagine the incident that were very excited. The words illustrate the situation. She was fanciful, mean unrealistic. She fell into a dream, musing a deep thought, and the last is streaming tears mean weeping. Question number F is why will it be difficult for the inspector and Mr. Utterson to find Mr. Hyde? Answer is no photograph of Mr. Hyde exists. Only a few people can describe by few people. Question number 8 is why will it be difficult? Question number H is which word meaning search vigorously is used to describe the state of Mr. Hyde's room? Answer is the word ransacked is used to describe the state of Mr. Hyde's room. Now come to another page that is answer the following question with reference to context. RTC है ये और ये इसके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इसके आंसर्स करने हैं. नंबर 1 is answer the following question. Who is angry? Mr. Hyde. Who is he angry with? Sir Danvers Carew. Does he have any reason to be angry? Answer is things are not according to the witness. How does the maid describe his behavior? Like madam with app, like Fori. Sorry. Who is the speaker? Inspector Newcomen of Scotland Yard. Who is being spoken to? Mr. Utterson. What does he mean and why will it make a deal of noise? He means that it will cause a sensation and be talked about and written about in the news. This is because the victim is an important man, Sir Danvers Carew. Next exercise is use the following words and expressions in sentences of your own. These all are the words which we have to use in the sentences. So number 1 is in small r. She works in small r. Drawing near. Summer vacation is drawing near. Trifling with. The money involved with trifling son. Without doubt. A nutcase without a doubt. No sooner had she finished his speech than light went out. Circumstances. He is a victim of circumstances. Ambition. I had been her lifelong ambition. Odious good taste. Comparison is odious good taste. Add ली मतलब ly को ऐड करना है टू द फॉलोइंग एडजेक्टिव टू मेक एडवर्ब्स. ये एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, इनको हमने एडवर्ब्स में कन्वर्ट करना है ly का इजाफा करके. नेसेसरी नेसेसरीली. एंग्री एंग्रीली. ऑर्डिनरी ऑर्डिनरीली. नॉटी नॉटीली. कॉसी कॉस्टली. हैप्पी हैप्पीली. वॉलेंटरी वॉलेंटरीली. नॉइजी नॉइजली. मैरी मैरिली. चेरी चेरिली. टेम्पोरेरी टेम्पोरेरीली. सेटिस्फैक्ट्री सेटिस्फैक्टरीली. एड OUS टू द फॉलोइंग नाउन टू मेक एडजेक्टिव. अब हमें जो है नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं, इनमें हमें एडजेक्टिव बनाने के लिए OS का यूज़ करना है. लग्जरी लग्जूरियस कार. फरी फरोस रैबिट. मिस्ट्री मिस्टीरियस फैक्ट्री. इंजरी इंजूरियस पीपल. इंडस्ट्री इंडस्ट्रियस पेंसिल. मेलोडी मेलोडस. ग्लोरी ग्लोरस. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज कॉम्पोजिशन. कॉम्पोजिशन ई. Actor Danvers Carew made a news at the start of the movie. The killers which time narrated as blood shed on streets. Due to many reasons, over the period of time, this name went down. He was actually a victim of some incident. When his body was recovered, the Time reported that the 5 to 6 bodies had been found at home of assistant director. A cord around his neck, his hand wide tied up with the leg. Other dead bodies were hanged. All murders were done very brutally, and the squad was shocked to see dead bodies. Carew and the victim to the which he was tied repeatedly slashed lost angles. Police pointed out that it's mystical semi-religious terrorist murder cult. The tragedy still haunts the nation. People are always afraid of similar cult killings. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित रही होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक कर दीजिएगा, आगे चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और शेयर कर दीजिएगा. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.